All right, guys, let's talk about Bitcoin. Here we go. So, thing number one, Bitcoin's been dumping, yeah? So the first level, is the pain over? It really is what you want to know. And the first level for you to be paying attention is right here, this 25,000 level, which we are currently testing. So let's add a little bit more resolution. Okay, so you also have this moving average here acting as support. So this would be a great area for a bounce, actually. So we're gonna be paying attention to this, because if we break that, it doesn't look good, right? Because the only other area of interest is gonna be, you know, this 20,000 area right here. So that's not good. So let's play on a bounce here. Okay, for one last leg up. And why am I saying this? Because the Fed also came out and said, well, they're evaluating the rate increases meeting by meeting, but what the market is understanding is that this was the last rate hike and that they are going to pause. So the market currently, right now, as of today, understand 96% of the market participants think the Fed will pause. Okay, 96% of the market thinks the Fed will pause, and a pause in rate hikes would mean price go up. Okay, and this would be a very good area for taking profits. Okay, so we're targeting around here 40, 44, 45, something like that. Okay, that would be the area of interest. Okay, and here you go. Okay, that would be the area of interest. That being said, on currently so that's what, just thinking ahead. Okay, so we're thinking more up. Okay, more up because the Fed will probably pause. Okay, that's what the market is thinking. But what we have in price action right now is a market that is tremendously bearish in terms of divergences. Okay, so you have this huge bearish divergence that's been developing here, and also here, so you can see it right there. That's a bearish divergence. Back here, there was also a big bearish divergence that, well, didn't really play out. Here, there was also a big one that gave us this drop. So the idea is maybe that's enough, all right? And we have one less leg up. Or if this doesn't hold, this is really the level you want to be paying attention to, this 25, because if this doesn't hold, it's going to be a very ugly drop, and it could actually end the run. Okay, so what we are looking at is just this area that needs to be protected. Okay, so this parabolic move needs to be intact. Okay, so if we have a breach, see how important this level is. If we breach this moving average here, if we breach you know, this line, okay, that's kind of curved, but it helps you understand, you know, my point. If we break below that, that pretty much means the party's over and there's a bigger retracement coming. If that happens, I would be paying attention to, you know, around here, around 19 or 20 for a possible take profit. So for the bullish momentum to continue, and because the Fed says probably they will pause, all right, I am thinking one last run. Okay, that's what I'm thinking based on the information on the chart. That only gets canceled if we break this area. Okay, so that's what we're going to be paying attention to. We can check here on the lower time frames. We're also getting some bullish divergence forming, so at the right time, at the right price, so this could turn into something. Okay, if you zoom out, okay, everything's still looking good. Still a healthy market, okay, and still every indication in the book that the bottom is in and that it's up only market currently. Okay, so let's keep an eye on this. We're gonna keep updating you on what's going on, and this is the price to watch. So this basically means if you want to long, if you want to buy, okay, this is the time to do it with a relatively small stop loss, right? Okay, because support is right here, okay, at 25,300. So relatively small stop loss, and the potential profit is pretty large, so that could be interesting. Okay, right to this 45,000 area, that would be interesting. Okay, that's everything I want to share with you today. If you want more information, if you want to discuss more charts or more in-depth, join our group, link in the description, and we do daily analysis in there.